I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my 16% layer crumbles from Manna Pro for my backyard chickens. So this is a 16% protein formula, which is what the 16% means, and it's specially formulated for hens that are either about to lay or currently laying. So this is basically 16 weeks and onward. This would be an appropriate feed. You want to start them with a starter feed, and then once they're reaching the age where they would start to lay, usually going to be around 18 weeks, but you can start them on this at 16 weeks. So this has probiotics. It's got a nutritionally complete set here, so it's got all of the different components you need for them to not only thrive and grow, but also to lay eggs. So it's going to have the calcium and everything that they need in order to produce those solid shells. And the probiotics are good also for their gut health, to keep them in good health overall, because laying eggs is kind of a taxing thing for them physically. So this is an 8-pound bag. This is good for my flock for probably a week or two, depending on what else they're getting. If they're foraging or getting some scraps. We've got the breakdown of different components here. Calcium, really important to have strong shells on the eggs. You can see that's got a good amount there. Protein, again, that's 16%, which is the name of the feed, and then you've got plenty of other components in there as well. It's also got grit in there, so that they can be able to use their gizzards and to digest things. So this is something you could give. You can also supplement with Manna Pro Grit if you want to. So this is Crumbles. It's really accessible and easy for them to eat, and let's see how they like it. So I just filled up the container here. There's some that spilled on the ground. They seem so enthusiastic about it that they haven't even discovered that it's in here yet. They're just pecking this off the ground. So you can see they're super excited about the Manna Pro 16% here. Okay, now they discovered that it's in there. So I think we're gonna definitely have a lot of happy customers here. So you can see, definitely palatable to them, and I think overall it'd be a great feed.